Hello chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sermon Chess YouTube channel. Today chess video is about I am going to give you 4 different white and black chess wraps for the King's Gambit decline. Okay, and I am going to give you a puzzles for you. In the end of this video, you need to watch that puzzles. If you know the answer that puzzles, you need to write down in the comment section your answer. Okay, now let's go to the wrap number 1. Okay, hello everyone, this is wrap number 1. Why black resign in 8 moves only? How to white won the game? Why black resign in 8 moves? I am going to give you the explanation and analyze deeply in this particular wrap. Let's start with e4. Okay, e4, this is called king's pawn opening. Then black played e5, this is called king's pawn opening. Then second move of white. White played f4. This is king's gambit. Then we will see how to counter this match to black. Black played his pawn to d5. This is king's gambit decline. Fork wear counter attack. Okay. Then now white turn. White pawn take the pawn. Then he didn't cut and he pushed the pawn to e4. Then white played d5. In this case, white has super idea now. He playing smartly right now. He played his knight to f6. Then white has so many advantage now. Because now cut the pawn by the pawn. Then knight take the pawn. Then knight f3. We will see how to counter this match. Black bishop go to b4 and beautiful check here. In 2 moves, black resign. You need to find why black resign in this match. Now push the pawn to c3. Now attack the bishop. That's why bishop moving back to here on c5. Then you can see now beautiful move make white queen. Queen go to there and beautiful check here. In the same time, there is a attack the wrap the knight. Why the white queen? You can see now queen a4 and check. Then king go to there. Then wrap the knight. That's why black resign in 8 moves only. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Now we can go to the wrap number 2. Hello everyone, this is wrap number 2. Black wins white checkmate. How to black wins white checkmate in 11 moves only in the King's Gambit decline wraps. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then e5. This is called king's pawn opening. Then f4. This is king's gambit. Then d5. This is king's gambit decline fork wear counter attack. Then pawn take pawn. Then push the pawn to e4. Then d3. In this case, black playing amazingly now. Knight to f6. Okay, then d goes e4. Then knight take the pawn. Then knight go to f3. White knight go to f3. Then bishop c5. Okay, now attack. You can see now this knight attack this squares. And in the same time, this bishop attack these 4 squares. Okay, we will see how to counter this match. White bishop go to d3. Now attack the knight. Why the bishop? Then f5. He push the pawn to f5. Okay, push the pawn to f5. Then knight go to e5. Then queen h4 and beautiful check here. In some moves, only 3 moves only, black wins white checkmate. Okay. Then 9th move, g3, push the pawn to g3, then knight take the pawn, then d6, he put d6, then knight e6, e4, and knight e4, and beautiful check. Now discovered check now, then king go to f1, one space only, then beautiful checkmate with black queen. Queen go to f2, and this is amazing checkmate right now in the right time. That's it. This is wrap number 2. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. We can go to the wrap number 3. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sermon Chess YouTube channel. This is wrap number 3. Why by resign in 5 moves only? How to black won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Okay. Let's start with white. White played e4. This is king's pawn opening, e5, king's pawn opening, f4. King's gambit, d5, king's gambit decline, fork wear counter attack. Then pawn take pawn, f cross e5. Then queen h4 and beautiful check. then g3. This is the mistakes he did. That's why queen cross e4 and check, then wrap the rook. Then king could go to f2 and wrap the rook. That's it. No, this is check here. We will see if black the check with this one, then again check here. Then queen need to move. We need to cut this queen bishop, and black queen got the white queen. That's it. That's why by resigning 5 moves. That's it. We can go to the wrap number 4. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess YouTube channel. This is wrap number 4. By resigning 11 moves only, how to black won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Let's start with e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then e5, king's pawn opening. f4, king's gambit. Then d5. This is called king's gambit decline for clear counter attack. Then knight f3. Then bishop come to c5. By black play amazingly now. Then knight go to c3. Then knight come to f6. Develop the knight to black. Then we will see knight take the pawn. Then pawn take the pawn. Then queen come to e2. Then knight c6. Another knight, develop the knight. Both knight are come outside black. Then 7 to move off. Knight goes f7. Okay, we will see why the cut like this. This knight take the pawn by the knight. Then queen go to e7. He cannot cut. Then knight take the rook. In this case, wow, black won easily this match. You can see why. Now knight go to d4. Now attack the queen by the knight. Then queen go to d1, his place, old place. Then knight f3 and beautiful check. Then king go to e2. Then another knight, another bishop come to g4. Then he push the pawn to h3. Then knight come to here. That's it. Now white resign. You can see how to white resign this match. Okay. In this case, you can see now why white resign. If he take with this pawn to this bishop, yeah, then beautiful attack here. Knight take the pawn and beautiful checkmate. That's it. That's why white resign this match. Go back. I'm going to explain another again. Now knight come to here. Then pawn take the bishop and knight come to f4 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. We can go to the checkmate puzzles time right now. We can go to the puzzles. Okay. Hi everyone. This is checkmate puzzles time. This is first move is white 10. How to white won the game in 3 moves only. Beautiful checkmate with white. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. I am going to tell again. This is white 2 moves. First move is white 10. But white checkmate in 3 moves only. How to white won the game. You can share your answer below the comment section. Okay, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone.